Hi.
No. Hey guys, I'm TheMKninja, and I'm gonna do a cute pet video. That's right. Now, this vacuum cleaner is not on, and that's my sister's dog. I'm gonna show how scared dogs can be of the freaking. Jimmy, it's not even on. Jimmy, look. Jimmy.
Run, little boy, run.
Jim, it's not even on. It's not even on. Jim, you silly little man.
Okay, now turn it on and see how you react.
Okay, fine.
Oh, you went away again.
This ought to be good. Oh, God. Whatever, screw it.
Here, Sean, let me do it.
Jimmy! I don't know how to use this thing. Ah, Jimmy! Get over here, little. Turn it off a moment. Come on, Chips. Come here, Jimmy. Come here, Jimmy.
Come here. He's like, I don't trust that guy. Come here,
Jimmy. Come here, Jimmy.
Come here.
Come here, Jimmy. Come here.
Wait, let him get comfortable. Ready, check. Come here.
Okay, Chip, we won't do it again this time. Okay, Chippy. It's okay.
You scared little boy. Say bye. Say bye.
That was the video. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Turn it off.